Welcome to my channel, Eye Care Advisor. I hope you all are having a great day. As you all know that the Johnson & Johnson has launched their latest transition contact lenses. It is the Acuvue transition contact lenses. They have made a research for around more than 10 years and presently they bring their latest contact lenses, which is the Acuvue Oasys transition contact lenses. First I will show you how the boxes look like. This is how the box looks like. It contains 6 pieces of lenses inside the boxes, and the material what is provided by these lenses is the Silicone A material. The base curve of these lenses is 8.4 and the diameter is 14 mm. And the power range which is available is from +6 to -6 in 0.25 steps, and from 650 to +8 in 0.5 steps, and from 6 to -12 in 0.5 steps. So this is a very great range what they have provided. But unfortunately as of now it's not available for the toric contact lenses. So this is only for the spherical contact lenses which they have launched. I have tried the lenses myself, so I will go outside and show you how the lenses are, how the color changes in the sunlight, and I will also share my experiences with you, how I feel with the contact lenses. So please, let's go outside and check. Hello, you can see I am wearing the contact lenses now in this eye, and the changing of the color is very fast. It's changing very fast. I will bring close to my eyes and show you the size of the lens also. You see this eye looks little bit bigger compared to the eye which I am not wearing any contact lenses. And you can see the rim also outside, little bit grayish rim is you can see, but the vision is also much better. Visual comfort is much more in these lenses. This is the one I am wearing, the contact lenses. You can see that one. So the vision comfort in this contact lenses is great. There is no squinting of the eyes in this lens I am wearing. And one more thing I want to say, in the transition glasses the color of the image changes, but in this contact lenses the image color remains the natural only. So I recommend you, once you can also try and you can just give me the feedback how you feel with the lens. So as you can see viewers, I tried the lenses outside in the sun and it's give me a great comfort, and it's really a different thing, and we should try once this contact lenses. It feels great. The comfort is much more than compared to the normal lenses what you are wearing. This transition lenses definitely helped me, and I am happy with these lenses by the trying the lenses. You can also try the contact lenses and you can just write after that how you feel with that lenses. So as of now, today it's bye bye. And as I told in the other video, again I will tell once more, if you like my video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for getting the later updates. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye as of now today.